Sorry about that. Didn't know you guys were there. So today's video, we're gonna do some scroll sawing today. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna make a cool little Veterans Day type sign. So stick around and we'll get right to it. All right, we'll try an aerial view for this process. So I had the Gorilla Glue spray adhesive and the cap was clogged up, so I can't use that. So today I'm gonna be using the Star Bond, just some super glue. And what I'm gonna do is thin strips, cut some thin strips of walnut on the bandsaw. And I'm not too worried about the thickness having to be perfect. So got this here. And it's not real smooth, we'll sand it down later. So what I'm gonna first do is...
I found a better way to do this by putting a layer of painter's tape down first and then gluing your pattern to it. Works out really well, and it's also supposed to lubricate your blade, make it last longer. So anything you can do now to save $1 is good for me.
It's probably way too much. Let's try to get around the corners here. And we'll spray the wood, saturate it, put that on there. All right, we'll try this out and see if it works with this camera angle. So for the beret, I'm gonna use this Paduke. So let's go ahead and try this out. All right, so I am not going to show you the whole process of scroll sawing. There is way better people to watch than me. One off, I think it's like Simply Wooden Creations. That guy is awesome. I am not, so I'm not going to do that. But here is all the pieces I cut out. And if you look down here, I didn't get some of these ones cut out. So I'm just going to use the scraps that I found on the floor to make those pieces because they are so small and tiny. You can see my fingertip, they're just real tiny. So I'm just gonna use the scrap pieces I got and put those together. I'm gonna go reprint that because the B didn't get on there and the O. I could probably freehand it, and I might. We'll see what happens. Happy Veterans Day. So I was gonna put it on that plywood that I painted gray, but I had some bird's eye maple and I cut in this thin strips. I'm gonna put it on that.